Are you sabotaging your health with healthy cooking oils? You might be shocked to discover that some oils you've been told are good for you are actually doing more harm than good. Stick around, because we're about to reveal the top 10 sneaky oils that could be destroying your health, and number 1 is a real eye-opener. At number 10, we have soybean oil. It's cheap, it's everywhere, but it's often genetically modified and loaded with omega-6 fatty acids. Too much omega-6 without enough omega-3 can lead to chronic inflammation in your body. You'll find it in almost all processed foods, so check those labels. Next up is corn oil. It's another source of excess omega-6 and is typically extracted using chemical solvents like hexane. This process can strip away nutrients and leave harmful residues. You might not taste it, but it's in countless snacks and fried foods. Coming in at number 8, cottonseed oil. It's derived from a non-edible plant, often heavily treated with pesticides. Cottonseed oil is also highly processed and contains natural toxins that can be harmful. This one's definitely best avoided. At number 7, we have refined sunflower oil. While high oleic versions can be okay, the standard refined stuff is packed with omega-6 and becomes toxic when heated above its smoke point. These fats oxidize easily, potentially leading to inflammation and other health issues. Be cautious with this one. Don't be fooled by the name. Vegetable oil is number 6 on our list. It's often a blend of the cheapest, most processed oils, loaded with trans fats and pro-inflammatory compounds. Heating this oil produces toxic byproducts. It's best to steer clear of this vague and unhealthy option. Hitting the halfway mark is canola oil. Marketed as heart-healthy, its production involves high heat processing that can create harmful compounds. It's also relatively high in omega-6 fatty acids. While some studies suggest benefits, others are less conclusive, so proceed with caution. At number 4, we have palm oil. While not as processed as some others, it's very high in saturated fat. High consumption of saturated fat is generally discouraged by health professionals. Use it sparingly, if at all. Coconut oil takes the bronze at number 3. It is very high in saturated fat, which can raise cholesterol levels. While it has some beneficial properties, it's crucial to use it in moderation. It's not the health food miracle it was once made out to be, especially if you have heart concerns. Nearing the top of our list is grapeseed oil. It has a high smoke point, but it's also very high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can contribute to inflammation if not balanced with enough omega-3s. Its nutritional value is low compared to other options, so it's not ideal for everyday use. And the number 1 healthy oil that's destroying your health. Partially hydrogenated oils, or PHOs. These are loaded with trans fats, linked to increased LDL cholesterol, decreased HDL cholesterol, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers. Thankfully, many manufacturers have removed PHOs, but always double-check those ingredient lists. So, there you have it, 10 healthy oils that might be doing more harm than good. By avoiding these oils and opting for healthier alternatives like olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil in moderation, you can take control of your health and cook with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks.